Alright, so today I'm gonna teach you how to make a song using only AI. So, the first step, you're gonna actually make the lyrics for the song, and for this, you're gonna choose what type of song it will be. So, if it's a rap song or if it's a pop song, whatever the fuck you want. So, let's get into it. So, first, tell ChatGPT what kind of song you want. So, I'm gonna make a rap song. So now a ChatGPT will actually make you the lyrics. He made the title, but you can remove the title, make any title that you want. And now that it's done, we're just gonna copy it. We're gonna go to Suno AI. So right over here, we're gonna go to create. And you can actually make 10 songs every day, so you can make a lot. So we don't want to make any instrumentals or simple, we don't want to make a custom song. We put the lyrics here, so we have the lyrics, we choose the style, so we're gonna do rap, good bass, and we're gonna tell it that we want a beat drop, for example. Now you can remove stuff if you want, or you can make a persona, but that's all paid, so you are gonna have to pay if you want to do that. You're gonna put the song title in, so here, and we're gonna click create. You can also record your own audio if you want to, or put in your own instrumentals, but since I don't really have that, I'm gonna just make a song. So here on the right, you're gonna see the songs that you made. You're gonna click here, and
type the code, then I'll let it roll. AI on the screen, now I'm in control. Pixels talk back, got that digital soul. From a script to a vid, now I'm on the road. Yo, it's code to camera, lights in the flow. Making magic with machines, let the world know. Pull up the grid, got the
okay, so that's the song that we made. It actually makes two songs out automatically, so we're gonna have two. You can choose the one you like better, or if you don't like it, you can change it up and recreate it.
Yeah, I type the code, then I let it roll. AI on the screen, now I'm in control. Pixels talk back, got the digital soul. From a script to a vid, now I'm on a roll. Yo, it's code to camera.
And yeah, that's practically it. If you want to, you can also remix or edit it. So you can edit it in the editor. Unfortunately, since I don't have the premium, I cannot do this yet. But you don't really need it because the AI is good on its own without removing or adding anything. You can also publish the songs here, but I wouldn't recommend it as it doesn't really bring you anything. You can't earn from it, so it's useless. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching.